Splice myself for you, Yellow.
Oh, I couldn't see him.
No, top, bro.
Sorry, man.
Run around it back.
Yeah, let's run it again. Like, okay, they're going this way. Show me the monkey! We have a gun. It looks like a single shot. This is my Lackman Turner overdrive gun. It's cast off Soviet. Okay, good. What do we got? Stims on the ground, not in the bathroom. Okay. I can accept that. Is there upstairs? No, I don't like these drones. I'm not a big drone guy. What's the... What? I guess he...
There's a most wanted up here to the left.
I'm coming.
Enemies deployed a counter UAV. Positive ID on the bounty target. Eliminate them.
We're bum rushing this guy.
He's coming.
Sorry.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
On this building.
Enemy UAV overhead.
He ran? No.
Advise you move to the safe zone now.
How'd he get up to the roof? Did he land up? He land up there? Like, I guess we gotta... How'd that guy get...
East.
I swear that guy just got up there. We got a long way to get out of here, guys.
Hostile UAV in the area.
These guys are like... These guys ignore the freaking smoke, I guess.
I'm going on the box.
Dropping some armor. Dropping it to me.
Dude, I like this team. We're kind of on the outskirts. We went for the most wanted.
You can buy load up.
Enemy UAV active. Hostile UAV in the area.
Dude, I can't get away from that freaking smoke, bro.
Friendly UAV on station.
That's my... Who was he shooting at?
I like how they said we're camping. Right here. On my back.
What is that?
Enemy soldier incoming.
Well, I threw a Betty, so that'll be good.
Drop there, sniper.
Another one?
Roof, I bet.
Yeah. Yeah, roof. And behind on loadouts.
Motherfucker. I don't know where he's at. Oh, he's on.
Come in here.
I go down. Good shit. Across. Oh, fuck. Excuse me. On the sides.
Dropping into the AO.
Need pistol rounds.
Where'd he go? I just saw someone drop right here. Oh, I'm tripping, guys. I'm tripping hard. Nope, I don't want that.
Need pistol rounds.
In this game, it's all about freaking, so far from what I'm feeling, plates. I need plates, guys. Just need plates.
UAV here.
Coming on the top. Did you get him?
Yeah.
Okay, I would die right now if the smoke was coming. Oh god, they're marking everything over here. There's a bunch of guys.
Our UAV is orbiting the area.
Oh god.
Right in there, bro. On top
Oh,
of the hill.
motherfucker. Yep, right here. There's two of them there. Son of a bitch. One is on the left side of that doorway and one's on the right, obviously, as you can see.
Got you.
One on the left side has dual pistols.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
I'm gonna drop there and get my shit back too.
UAV overhead.
What?
Where'd that sniper go? It might be behind him.
He's still sitting with the pistols. Careful.
I couldn't see his name, guys. Sorry.
Ah, right here.
Oh. Just two of them.
Zone now.
Yeah.
Recover your dog tag.
Damn it. I think you start with whatever class you have favorite in the pregame lobby. Is that true, Christian?
One coming up. One outside res.
All right, guys. Where are these guys?
Moving.
No, I wanted that battle rifle. Where'd it go?
Resurgence no longer active. This is for keeps.
I just had it.
Soldier incoming.
Hostile located.
Okay, then. Give me this. It's okay, guys. I got a battle rifle.
Landing behind, landing behind, landing behind.
Sorry, sorry.
I swear I'm not out. Right.
Enemy mark.
Got some over here to the
I
left.
got him, I got him, I got him. Okay.
Be online.
Enemy here. Enemy here.
Yes, that's two more.
Headshot. I killed him. I don't know why I headshot.
Good.
You can win this.
Up two.
Some of your
In the
team
water.
is still outside the safe zone.
Watching close.
King.
Yeah. I want to push around.
Hostiles in this area.
He's on this boat. He's underneath it. One of the two. He's swimming around.
I just saw him. Down one right here.
Ah, good shit.
Movement here.
Dead.
Good work.
One squad, one guy, one guy.
He's in this building, I bet.
Yeah,
on
yeah,
top
they're
of it.
swimming.
Are we winning, guys? Are we winning this?
Probably. I did hear one guy in the water.
I got 5 kills.
I found
Find him.
him.
Hey.
Hey! Good game, guys. You guys want to run again?
I got off.
Alright.
Guys, I just won my first Resurgence. See, I feel like I really didn't win, though. Because I feel like when you play with the team, you don't really win. Your team kind of wins. Which is how I feel. Right? That was my first freaking Resurgence win, I think. Well, definitely of this. Okay, okay. It's all about the money. What did I get anything? Ghost, the silent killer. Hey! That's me! Open scoreboard. How do you open scoreboard? I got 5 kills, the least on my team. Least damage done.
GG's, fella.
Also tied for the least redeploys.
Run it back. We run it back.
I'm running it back. That was fun, man. I gotta be honest. I don't know. I keep saying I gotta be honest because I'm not sure how I feel about what just happened, guys. I tell you this though, that was fun. It was fun. 5 kills, it's like, but I died twice. So 5 minus 2 is, in my mind, 3 kills. Right? That's how I feel.